Hey, what's going on? Rob here. We have a beautiful 2018 Ram 1500. Obviously this one's gonna have the Hemi and the full crew cab. You got your power locks and power windows. Take a look, it's got Bluetooth voice command, Sirius satellite radio, AM, FM. Obviously it's also got a backup camera, which is nice. Take a quick peek at the back. There's a ton of space, as well as it's already got the bed liner, LED bed lighting, tow package. All right, man, this one's here, ready to roll. So let's get in touch, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.